Okay, so limits is going to be pretty quick. I'll rush through the first one. I put the wrong thing on the bottom. So as you can see here, this is exponential. It's going towards something, but it's never really touching it. After infinity, we expect it's pretty much at that. So the limit here, n going to infinity, is here. N to the power 3 minus 4n over n squared minus 2. The biggest number is n to the power 3, so we divide everything by that. Okay, then that leaves us with 1 minus, put in your infinity, okay, well that's the same as 4 over n squared over 1 over n minus 2 over n to the power 3. Put into your calculator 1 over 100 billion is basically 0. So if that's infinity going in there, then that's going to go 1 minus 0 over 0 minus 0. Okay, which is giving us 1 over 0, which means it's going towards infinity. Anything divided by 0 is going towards that. I'll run through a couple of these. So the limit, n squared plus 4n, n to the power 4 minus 2n to the power 3. Biggest one is the n to the power 4 there. So n squared divided by n to the power 4 plus 4n over n to the power 4, n to the power 4 over n to the power 4 minus 2n to the power 3 by n to the power 4 equals 1 over n squared, that's going to be 0, plus 4 over n to the power 3, 0, that's 1 minus 2 over n. Sub it in, that's 0, plus 0 over 1 divided by 0, 0 divided by 1 is 0. Happy days. Now, I'll do question 3. Question 3, you've got limit. They give you t of n, but they want the limit going to n to the power of infinity. So n to the power 3 plus 2n squared minus 3n over n squared. Okay, therefore that's n to the power 3 over n to the power 3 plus 2n squared over n to the power 3 minus 3n over n to the power 3 n squared over n to the power 3. So cut off there. That's 1 plus 0 minus 0 doesn't make a difference over 0, so that goes to infinity. Yeah, pretty straightforward. Now you will get the odd one, which they don't really have shown here in the book. So let's say I've got n of n minus n squared minus 4 over n minus 2. Well, that's the difference of two squares in the top. So n minus 2, n plus 2, all over n minus 2. And then that's going to be infinity. We could have done it either way, to be honest with you, with that one. Question 1 to 6 for homework. Get through them, understand them, and it will be pretty easy. If you look at question 2, part 3, actually, you just have to multiply them out, or you factorise the bottom one, as I kind of said. And 4, part 3, multiply in. Get a 3n by the top. And that's it. Okay, good work.